Hello everyone. I'm here to share an exciting trend. Thousands of Zimbabweans from the diaspora are packing up and heading back home. This movement is driven by a powerful combination of factors, from the significant economic rebound in mining and agriculture to heartfelt family reunions, government incentives, improved infrastructure, and the pull of cultural ties. Let's explore in detail why this is happening and what it means for the nation's growth and future prospects. First, Zimbabwe's economy is experiencing a significant rebound. The mining sector, particularly in gold and lithium, is booming with heavy machinery operations and attracting substantial foreign investment, creating numerous high-paying job opportunities. Additionally, agriculture reforms have boosted exports significantly, leading to self-sufficiency in wheat production and further enhancing economic stability. Diaspora returnees are finding better opportunities and a substantially lower cost of living compared to their experiences abroad in places with high urban expenses. They are leveraging their acquired skills, savings, and capital to start businesses or invest, contributing directly to this growth and finding the economic landscape at home increasingly favorable for entrepreneurship and personal success. Beyond economics, the powerful pull of family and cultural ties is undeniable for many abroad. Zimbabweans deeply miss the warmth of home, the Ubuntu spirit of community and sharing, and their rich traditions passed down through generations. The desire to reconnect with their heritage, participate in festivals, and strengthen community bonds is a primary motivator driving this return. Children raised abroad often crave a deeper connection to their roots and ancestral stories, facing a sense of disconnection in foreign lands. Returning home means rebuilding those vital generational bonds with grandparents and elders, immersing in traditions, and preserving the unique Zimbabwean identity for future generations through daily cultural experiences. The Zimbabwean government is actively encouraging this return through various targeted incentives under the National Diaspora Policy. Repatriation programs offer attractive tax breaks on investments, easier access to land for farming or housing, and robust investment support to ease the transition and integration for returning citizens. Initiatives like Bring Back Our Harare specifically welcome skilled returnees from abroad, recognizing their potential to contribute significantly to urban development, modern infrastructure, and national growth. The Zimbabwe Investment and Development Agency also plays a crucial role in facilitating these investments, streamlining approvals, and providing guidance for successful ventures. An improved quality of life is another compelling reason for returning. Significant infrastructure upgrades, including better paved roads for efficient travel, more reliable electricity supply reducing blackouts, and enhanced high-speed internet connectivity, are making daily life more convenient, productive, and appealing to professionals and families alike. The lower cost of living in Zimbabwe, combined with cleaner air free from urban pollution, a strong sense of community safety through neighborhood watch programs, and the country's stunning natural beauty like national parks and scenic landscapes, offers a stark contrast to the often stressful, high-pressure urban grind experienced abroad. This holistic improvement in well-being is drawing many back for a balanced lifestyle. Political stability is steadily improving with consistent policies, fostering a more predictable and secure environment for both residents and investors seeking long-term commitments. This enhanced stability, coupled with robust youth empowerment initiatives in education, technology, and entrepreneurship, is building widespread optimism for the nation's bright future and sustainable development. Returnees are actively contributing their diverse skills, international experiences, and networks, fueling Zimbabwe's renaissance across key sectors like mining, agriculture, technology, and services. This creates a true win-win situation, as the nation benefits immensely from their expertise and capital, while they find renewed purpose, belonging, and success in rebuilding their homeland. Whether driven by economic opportunity in booming sectors, the unbreakable bonds of family and culture, government support programs, or the promise of a brighter future with stability and growth, the return to Zimbabwe is a powerful and tangible reality today. It's a testament to the resilience, potential, and rising spirit of the nation. Consider exploring your options. If you're part of the diaspora contemplating this move, now might be the perfect time to consider the incredible opportunities awaiting you back home in a transforming Zimbabwe. The country is truly rising with progress in every sector, and your unique skills and experiences can be a vital part of its continued growth and prosperity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more insights into these inspiring trends.